Hi there, welcome back. In these lessons, I'm going to explain strings and the utility methods supported by strings in Python. Let's see first one, concatenations. Concatenations in a string is used to merge two strings or more than two strings in one strings object. For concatenations in Python, we use plus symbol or plus operators. Like in this given example, str1 is assigned with the value hello, str2 is assigned with the value world. If we merge two strings str1 plus str2, then a new object of type string will be created. And after printing this, you will get hello world. The next useful methods of a string is capitalize the string. If you want to convert your string in uppercase, then a function called capitalize is used. Like you can give any string name, or like in this example hello dot capitalize, the answer will be hello in uppercase. The next one is replacing characters in a string. For replacing characters in a string is used to replace function. Like the first parameter in replace function is the character you want to search, and the next parameter is used to replace the character with. In the given example, hello doll replace E will be replaced with A. And the next utility method is alpha. Is alpha. In the given string, if you want to check the given string is consist of alphabet letters, then this function is useful there. These functions return true or false value. If the given string consists of with alphabets, then it return true, else false if any character doesn't matter. If any character in the given string is numbers or any symbols, then result will be false. And the next method is digit. This is useful when we want to convert the given strings in integers or in int. So these functions may be useful on that case to check whether the given string is digit or not. For this is digit methods is used. Okay, so now move to the next functions that is called split. This is the most important things whether you are programmer or you are application developer of these Python applications. Split function is very useful. Like in the given string hello world Python, all the words are separated with a comma. Then split function is used to split the given string with delimiter comma, and the given strings will be resulted in the form of list. Similarly, if the all the words are separated with space or any symbol, then this also is helpful. In the place of comma in the split function, you can use your given parameters on the given criteria you want to split the strings. And also you know that in Python is simply we use print functions to print different strings or variables value. Like if you want to print values, more than three values in the, then we can put all the values, or either it is literal or any variable's name with comma separated, and all the value in the given print statement will be printed on the console with the space between the given parameters. But how can you print the given string or given results in a certain criteria? On the basis of that, you can format your strings. For that cases, the format function is used. Like in the given example, message is equal to hello world, name, coder starts. If you will print this statement 0 in the curly bracket, welcome to learning Python, I am in curly bracket 1 dot format message. In the given string 0 indicate refer for message or 1 refer for names. The numbers within curly bracket indicate position in format functions from left to right. 0 refer to variables message and 1 indicate to names. Index usually start with 0. Now let's move to the next important concept in a string in Python, that is string interpolations. Python 3.6 added a new strings interpolation method called literal string interpolation and introduced a new literal prefix f. This new way of formatting a string is powerful and easy to use. It provides access to embedded Python expressions inside a string constant. Like in the given example, on the variables greetings, hello world is store, and on the variable's name, Python is stored. It's just like formatting a strings, but in this case, you can use variable's name, but in dot format function, we use simply indexing of the format function parameters. Similarly like this, but not exactly like, we use f prefix, and in the given double quotes, you can give your variable's name inside curly bracket, and this is sometimes more easy. If you get more practice and if you do more practice, you will realize that when you will run this code, the output will be hello world, this is Python. The prefix f tells Python to store the value of two string variables greeting and name inside curly brackets. The string interpolation is powerful as we can embed arbitrary Python expression and even can do inline arithmetic operations. Like in this example, x equal to 6, y equal to 5, and see how easily you can use expression within double quotes. Don't be confused with single quote or double quote. Either you can use single quote or either double quotes is perfect. There is no errors. And f is used to prefix before the single quote or double quote, and within single or double quote you can write any expressions whatever you prefer. Like in this example, in curly bracket x multiplication y in the curly bracket, and if you run this code you will get this message, x 6 multiplied 5 is 30. Which one you should use, the choice is always yours. I personally like string interpolation, but the format function is also so pretty powerful. There are also some other interesting string property like string slicing, but I think you have enough for a string for now. Let's move on the booleans and none. Thanks for watching.